In the past 40 days, my Instagram page grew with 100,000 new followers. But throughout entire 2022, I was not able to grow my Instagram page at all. Until I found this crazy growth strategy at the start of December 2022. And my page literally blew up overnight. So let's start with step number 1. And that is what I call content sniping. Content sniping is an ethical way to never run out of content ideas. And always make sure that you're posting something that has maximum potential to go viral. And immediately know which ideas are good and which ideas are bad. So all you got to do is to find 10 to 15 influencers in your niche. Make sure they have less than 100,000 followers, and a sweet spot would be from 20k to 50k followers. You then would go to their Instagram page and you would go to the Reels section. What you're gonna see when you open up the Reels section is that majority of the content they're posting getting similar amount of views. But then you're gonna find what I call anomalies. And that is going to be Reels with significantly more views than other ones. Most of the time they're gonna have 10 to 20 times more views. You then would copy the link of that Reel and post it to your notes or in the Excel spreadsheet. Also make sure that this Reel has been posted not longer than 60 days ago. Just recreating that reel and posting it exactly with the same audio gonna increase your chances of going viral insanely high. You can clearly see this work for them. That means it's going to work for you as well. So do not reinvent the wheel and just roll with the wheel. Now, leading up to the step number 2, once you found something that is working for you, keep doing that and do not switch. Keep drilling until the gold runs out. Then just find another gold mine. So let's say your reel went viral on Instagram. Moving forward, just keep on making similar videos. Do not start changing things once they are working really well. Just keep drilling the gold. But at some point, it's going to stop working for you, right? So the best thing that you can do when this happens, it's first get yourself a creator program that I link down in my description. It's gonna be the first link. And second, just go over, gather all the reels that performed really well for you and just start remaking them once again. The way I like to put it is you would just go for the second round. You see that those work for you, just remake them in a slightly different way. Let me just show you how well this works live in action. As you can see, this reel got almost 5 million views for me. After I noticed that my video views on Instagram started to go down a little bit, I just recreated my most viral reel. And just look what happened. It got the best results compared to all my recent videos, and now it's starting to go viral again and catching up momentum again. So keep this in mind. The stop is always gonna happen. Your account gonna stop growing. Just start recreating the videos that went for you really well, and you're gonna start getting that grow again. But most of the time, we're gonna think to ourselves that our followers now are not gonna enjoy the same content. Forget about that, because majority of the people that are gonna see your videos are not gonna be your followers. Most of your content is gonna be pushed directly to complete strangers, not your followers. So just do not worry about it and keep drilling the gold. Forget about trends, kinda. Now, it's always good to jump on new trends when they come out. But the problem with solely following trends is that you're gonna build up a following who do not care about you. And when you do that, nobody's gonna buy from you. Like, you can even build up a 1 million follower page and you're just gonna have followers who don't even know who you are, do not trust you, and do not care about you. I'm here to build a business. I'm not here just to get followers. I'm here to actually sell my products and services to the market. And the only way to do that is for you to build a following that actually care about you and actually can see that you can provide value to them. Now, I can just show you an example. One of my reels 2 years ago went viral, and that actually ruined my page. I got over 10,000 followers almost overnight. All of those followers were so dead that after a few months, I was not getting any likes, any story views, nothing. Those followers didn't care about me. They cared about a stupid trend that I did. But as you can see, I wrote the word kinda. That is because you still want to focus on using trending audio, and it would be stupid for you to not utilize trending audio. And this is what I found works the best when picking your audio. Always keep in mind that Instagram is a random machine that could make some randomness. The rules I'm telling you doesn't always apply, but they do apply 90% of the time. Sometimes you're gonna post something with original audio and it just blows up. But most of the time when you post something with original audio, at least for me right now, it seems like it doesn't go that well when I'm using somebody else's audio. What I also noticed with Instagram is that sometimes it just get used to what is working for your page, and if you try to switch that thing and you do something different, it just flops. So let's say all of your videos are doing really well using other people's audio, and then you decide to post something with original audio, and then you're gonna see that it just flops most of the time. If you can find audio that has less than 10,000 uses and original video of that audio has more than 500,000 views, that's a really great fit. And I would highly recommend using that audio for your reel. Also, it's really important to look at that audio and see if other people use that audio as well, not only the original creator, and got great results with that audio as well. That is what I talk more about inside the creator program, and I also show you the best monetization strategies to monetize your page, grow your page, and pretty much step by step how I grew over 100,000 followers. Welcome to the second strategy, and in this one, I'm gonna show you exactly how I made a lot of money by being UGC content creator for different types of brands. Inside the program, I show a step-by-step strategy which led me and my clients to generate over 100 million views and make $2 million in sales on social media. As I said, if you want to join, there's gonna be the first link in my description or in the first pinned comment. But coming back to the audio though, if you can find audio that has less than 50 uses and the original video have 500,000 views and more, jump on that audio as fast as you can. This is exactly what I did myself, and this is what grew my page like nothing else. And I'm utilizing this strategy till this day. If you're a new creator right now, first, just focus on modeling what's working for other people by using the content sniping strategy I showed you. We scroll down below, we're gonna find this reel. You can see it's been posted January 16th, so not too far ago. Once you find something that is working, just keep drilling on it and keep making more of what worked for you until it stops working. But then you know what to do. Round 2, right? And most importantly, use the audio with the right criteria, the ones that I showed you. Also forgot to mention, but make sure you're posting like 4 to 5 times per week. If you can strike a balance between quality and quantity, that would be amazing, because Instagram favors consistency, and if you can post more, it would be better. Rather than just posting one really high quality reel per week, you can just put out 4 to 5 good reels per week. You're gonna have more chances of going viral, and trust me, sometimes you think this post is gonna do really well and it doesn't. My most viral video was created in like 30 minutes and I didn't even want to post it. And if you can follow this framework for the next 60 days, trust me, you're gonna see success with your page. But that being said, thank you for watching and